On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh my gosh, look how far apart you guys are! Alright, get your strings! There's Ava in the brown coat and Lily in the blue coat. Here you come, here come they come! Keep running! Don't peter out! The hard part's getting back up the hill. Smile and say hi.
Hi.